Hello guys, and welcome to Privat Fiskeflur. Now it's turn to show you the part 2 of the multi-vise fly tying station. I made some improvement for tools, some new ideas, some little better finish maybe. So see what I've been doing, and maybe you can exchange some ideas, okay? And follow on and see the video. Bye bye. Okay, welcome to my multi-vise fly tying station part 2. I made some improvement on this fly tying station. As I said, this is no furniture. It's made for practical use. So as I said in the previous video, I made this block here with this knob to attach and screw down the vises. Now I place my Dynaking into this. It's very sturdy, stays where it should. I have made some holes for my tools. This is the other vise hole, but this is tool hole. And for I'm gonna show you. I have this this bobbin here. Put that into the hole like this. Okay, I should have made larger holes and everything, but it's not gonna fit everything after all. So as you see here, this is the thread post from Norvise, and this little hole here is gonna fit my Norvise. I just deattached it. You see the screw here from the underneath. It's gonna go into this hole and screw it down from the underside, and it's gonna stay there. But today I use another vise, so I just unscrew this. And I have this block here for a lot of things. Some tools. As you see in my shelf here, I have a lot of tools, so I don't use all the tools at once. I just take the tools I use for this particular fly, and that's the tool I use. And I have some free space here. This is loose. This is just some old earlier fly I've tied, just so you can see it, just on this loose post here. And I have this was a little, this block is meant to be a bit longer, but some miscalculations, I think, that led to this. It's gonna be so short, but that left me a little magnet here for hooks. Very nice. I tried to show it to, I just have to pause the video a little bit and zoom in. Okay, a bit unsharp, but you can see what I mean. This is a little magnet. I screw it down into the hole here. You see now, all my hooks used for this particular session of fly tying stays there. It's not gonna fall off. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video a little bit more. Alright, when we're back. Then this final little piece of equipment here. I have this block that fits my glues. I'm not using all the glues at once, but this is the one I've been using just now. So you can take this out. You see, this is attached with some magnets underneath. You can see that. See the magnets? There's all no magnets in this one, so it fits onto this and it stays there. But as I said in the previous video, this fly tying station is gonna stay on my desk. It's not made to be portable. I can take it with me, but I'm not gonna do that. I have other things for that. So I'm gonna put that just onto the place again. I have some ideas. I can see that I should have drilled deeper holes for this. Maybe I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'm gonna take and make some feet to this underneath here, so we can stand on that, so I can put things underneath it. Maybe. My brain is still working on some ideas, so it's coming and going. I have to just follow on and see what I can manage to do. But I'm very pleased with the first edition of this fly tying desk, so fly tying station. So as I said, made from an old piece of countertop in oak I had laying in my basement. Placed some knobs under so it don't slide on my table and it becomes level. Maybe lot of things you can do, but use my ideas freely if you want, and make your own and comment, and we can exchange ideas maybe. Alright, that's all I had for this video. Thank you all for watching my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. It will make me very happy, and I try to answer every comment that's coming on. And if you have questions, just post it onto my YouTube channel. I try to answer everybody. Okay? Thank you all, and tight lines.